Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1 to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your UNB account. Before getting started, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser, then on the search bar type in UNB Login. Once you press enter, you'll see this kind of results. From this, click on the first link, then you'll get to this page. On this page, click on where it says My UNB Intranet. Once you click on the button, you'll be taken to this page. On this page, you'll have to enter your email address and your password provided by your university. For example, it looks something like this. Once you have entered your email address, you can click on the next button, and in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover your account. And if you haven't activated your UNB account yet, you can click on this link to activate your account. Now go ahead and click on next. Then it will ask for your password. Enter your password, and again, if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover your password. After you have entered your correct credentials, you can click on sign in button and you'll be logged into your UNB account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos like this. And I'll catch you on the next one.